Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by sourcing parts that substitute for commercial Airpods, tiny balance drivers, a Bluetooth audio board, batteries, and a charging circuit. Once procured, lay out tools and test each component separately so you know they work. This prevents rework later. Solder tiny wires to the drivers with flux and thin solder. Make sure joints are clean and insulated. Once done, position the module and battery in a mock housing so you can plan placement before final assembly. You now integrate electronics into a compact shell. Place the Bluetooth board near the ear tip to keep antenna exposure. Routing matters because interference kills range. Once positioned, secure the battery with foam and epoxy spots so it won't stress solder joints. Make sure the speaker's acoustic port aligns with the ear opening for proper bass response. Sealing gaps changes sound. After mounting, test pairing and playback before sealing, because fixing inside a closed shell is much harder. You finish by sealing the housing while preserving buttons and charging access. Use small beads of epoxy and trim excess for a neat fit. Once cured, charge fully, then pair to a device and run a set of audio tests at low volume to confirm channels and latency. This validates both hardware and firmware. If something fails, first inspect solder joints and battery voltage, then swap the Bluetooth module for a known good unit. Those are the usual culprits and easiest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.